Assalamualaikum students, how are you? It's maths lecture for grade 4 and today the topic we are going to study is multiples. Now what is multiple? A multiple is a product of two numbers. Means whenever we are multiplying any two numbers and the answer we get after multiplication, that answer is called multiple. Now just look at example over here. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12 and 16. If you can see over here, we get all these multiples by multiplying this 4 with the different numbers over here. For 1s are 4, for 2s are 8, for 3s are 12, for 4s are 16. Or in simple words, we can say that it's 4's table. For 1s are 4, for 2s are 8, for 3s are 12, for 4s are 16, for 5s are 20, for 6 are 24. By carrying on, we get the rest multiples of 4. So what are the multiples of 4? It's simple, 4 tables, and just read out the tables, you will get the multiples of the given number. Now example number 2. List the first 10 multiples of 5 and 6. Now I told you multiples means the table, so just read out the 5 table in your mind, you will get the all multiples of 5. So let's take start. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, then 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So these are all the multiples of 5. When we multiply 5 with 1, we get 5. Then we multiply 5 with 2, we get 10. So these all are the answer after multiplication that we get in 5 tables. Then the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. And see, it's 6 table. Now list the next 5 multiples of 9. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiples are written over here. We have to find out the next 5 multiples of 9 after 36. So what comes after 36 in 9's table? It's 9 5s are 45. Then it's 54. Then it's 63. Then it's 72 and 81. So the next 5 multiples of 9 after 36 is 45, 54, 63, 72 and 81. Common multiples. For common multiples, first we will find out the multiples of the given numbers. Now look at example over here. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 56 and 60. Now common multiples means we have to find a number over here among all these multiples who is the multiple of 4 as well as the multiple of 6. Now over here among all these multiples, just look at this 12. 12 is the multiple of 4 as well as the multiple of 6. Means 12 is coming in both of these tables. So we will take this 12 as a common factor. Then after 12 it's 24. 24 is the common multiple of both of these numbers. Means 24 is also coming in 4 tables as well as in 6 tables. So we will take this 24 as a common multiple, and then it's 36. 36 is the third common multiple of 4 and 6. So the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and 36. Now let's start book work. Kindly open your book for page number 31. Question number 2 is list the next 7 multiples of 5. Over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiples of 5 are given. We have to find out the next 7 multiples of 5 after 25. So it's 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, then 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35 and 5 8s are 40. So by following the same pattern, find out the rest of the multiples of 5 by yourself. Now next page, page number 32. Look at question number 3 over here. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. The numbers we are multiplying in tables with each other, these numbers are called factors, and the answer we get after multiplication is called multiple. So over here this 1 and 18, 2, 9, 3, 6, these are factors and 18 is the multiple. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are factors of 18 because 18 is coming in all these tables. and 18 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 because we get 18 after multiplying these number with each other. Now question number 4 is 27 a multiple of 3? So by division we get 3 9s are 27 and remainder is 0 over here. So yes, 27 is a multiple of 3 because 27 can be divided exactly by 3. Now question number 5 is 26 a multiple of 3? So first we will divide this 26 by 3. So 3 8s are 24 and remainder is 2 over here. So it means 26 is not a multiple of 3 because 26 cannot be exactly divided by 3. Now question number 6, complete the sentences with factors or multiples. Now try to attempt question number 6 by yourself by taking help from question number 3 on page number 32. Question number 7 is 60 a common multiple of 5 and 6? So we will divide this 60 by 5 and 6 and the remainder is 0. So it means yes, 60 is a common multiple of 5 and 6. So if you can see over here, in both situations remainder is 0 over here. So 60 can be divided exactly by both 5 and 6. So 60 is a common multiple of 5 and 6. Now question number 8 is, what are the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 9? List the first 12 multiples of 6 and 9. So first we will have to find out the multiples of 6 till 12, means we will have to read out the table till 12. So multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and these are the multiples of 9. So the common multiples of 6 and 9 are, the first multiple is 18, then it's 36 and it's then after 36 it's 54. So the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 9 are 18, 36 and 54. Now come on next page, question number 9 is, list the first 10 multiples of 4 and 6. Is done here for you guys. First the multiples of 4 are written over here, then the multiples of 6 are here and the common multiples are 12 and 24. Part A is, which are the first 2 common multiples of 4 and 6? So the common multiples are 12 and 24. Part B is, which common multiple are less than 30? So the common multiples less than 30 are, it's 12 and 24 again. Now question number 10, try to attempt this question by yourself. Now let's start practice on page number 35. Question number 1 is, list the next 5 multiples for each of the following numbers. Part A is done here for you guys. So by taking help from it, try to attempt the rest of the parts by yourself. So question number 1, question number 4 and question number 5 is your home task. Question number 4 and question number 5 is same like question number 9 we have done on page number 34. So try to attempt these 3 questions on a piece of paper and then submit it in the school for the assessment marks. Now workbook for A. For more practice, try worksheet 2 on page number 31 to 33. It's for your practice. By doing practice of these questions again and again, you will learn a lot. So it's enough for today. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.